Hello everybody, Ali here, and today we are trading non-farm payrolls for the month of March. Today is March 6th, and we have some nice buying opportunities on gold. Gold initially, I had a nice buy at the highs, which was definitely a trap. As we can see, it spiked higher, and this is a news channel. Let me really write it down really quick. So this was a news channel. We just can't trade news. So after the news back down, I had one contract here. It dropped even further to 1670. If we can zoom out a little bit, we can see that we have a lot of spikes in this area. So 1670 being the floor of the trade, we have spikes here, we have spikes everywhere. So assuming that we'll have another spike to the downside, spike to the we'll have a spike, and then the price may go up to the highs. So adding few extra contracts, approximately 3, so kind of like this mid area zone. And on the other side, we have euro. So we have highs. The price is kind of stuck in a range after a huge rally to the upside. So this is kind of small little range, you can say, where the price is trying to go lower, but buyers are not letting it go. So in case if the price drops back down, I'm ready to buy or add on one extra contract into the trade, and then take everything out at the highs. So this is the plan for the euro. And on the gold, looking for I'm looking for 1700 mark on gold. Hopefully we'll take it today or maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is an off day, so Monday. But given the context about the global situation, the virus, and the stocks market rallying to the downside, so we have some concerns. So safe havens, definitely gold is the safe haven. So just giving now technical wise, the gold looks very fine. We have a huge sell-off starting from 1690. They trap the buyers up there, so buyers must be trapped, and going all the way down to 1670. So we have nice buys at 69.1. That's really nice. We have 3 buys down at the bottom. So in case if the price goes back up to the highs, I will be really lucky that I got the fill at 69.1. So we'll give it some time. Definitely, I'm not expecting the gold to just give me fills, goes back to 1690 really quick. My basic idea is to take some of the contracts out at 1681. That's the mid of the range. So that range, and then we'll see how the gold will react. In case if there are buyers strength showing up, we can book the profit at 1690s, because I have a little bit concern over there. And that's it. We'll give some time now. And I have one more short now on the side of Nasdaq. It's a beautiful setup. Buyers are falling apart. We have nice bear guy turning up. Look at this candle, bullish attempt, and then the buyers follow through, and then all of a sudden we have sellers showing up. So definitely I'm gonna book my profit over there. So we have 3 trades now. Let me just really make it let me fix it. Okay, that seems good. So you can see all 3. Okay, gold finally going higher. Okay, candle closed on Nasdaq, and let's get our orders ready. In case if the Nasdaq goes higher, given the context again, because the candle size is really huge, like 100 pips candle, it's really huge. So maybe in case if the price tried to go against me, we'll add 2 more contracts into it. So this is the area 1681 that I want to see what the price will do here. In case if there is some profit taking, I will love to book some profits on that side as well. So 1681 approximately. 33 points on gold, 3 points on euro, and 54 points on Nasdaq. All I want to see is Nasdaq slamming lower, but in case if it doesn't, I will be okay to book the profit, because we have a lot of weakness in the Nasdaq as well. As expected, the Nasdaq showed some weakness at the lows, and I'm not interested. Okay, I'm out on the Nasdaq now with some points. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'm sorry about this. So gold now showing some weakness. So I don't wanna. I'm gonna take 5 contracts out. Okay, there you go. 5 contracts out on gold. Nice profit, 60 points profit per contract, and I had 5, so that makes up like 300 points on gold. That's great. Now I want to see if the gold, what it may do, because this is news. We had some nice add-on contracts. I don't usually add that many contracts, but since this is really looking for buying opportunity and I really like it, so let's see. So now the price may go high back to 1700. That's the big level. That will be the main target for us, the final target. If I see weakness in gold, because what may happen, price may go to the high 1690 and then slam back lower. So let's see how things will go, because it's a non-farm payroll. Nobody wants to keep the trade overnight. So let's give it some time. Euro struggling for now, but looks very promising. Nasdaq now trapping me into the trade, taking me out, and then looks like it's gonna drop. Okay, guys, I moved my pro. Okay, so Euro made a new high, and now what happened to Euro? Let me just pick it up. Okay, so Euro is out from the trade. We have gold. Gold is showing some strength actually, but to the downside, that is against us. So this might be the profit taking or front runners, as we say, because price just dropped lower, and then now we are moving higher. Sorry, in an uptrend. So must be front runners or profit taking before the market closes. But we have some good time, so the market might be slow. And in case like what happened with Euro, I'm out from the trade, but I still believe Euro will be making some new highs. On the same side, I don't have enough room to manage the Euro trade, but I have enough room on the gold one, so that's why the profit there. The stop loss is just above the break even plus 2 or 3 points, because I see still gold going higher, but Euro may go higher back to 1.4, but I didn't have enough room for me to manage it, or else I won't. If the price drops back down to the range lows, and then we can add on to new contracts, and then we can see Euro going higher. But gold, now let's hope for the best. We did everything possibly we could, and we have to give it some time now. So hopefully by the end of the session, expecting the euro flying higher and gold add on new sellers and then trap them, and then now finally gold moving to the upside. Euro hitting the new highs, unfortunately, without me, but hopefully we'll get the gold back to the 1700 level, or at least 1690. We'll test it again for gold. So that will be it for me. I'll try to manage the gold on myself, maybe later in the sessions, in late evening sessions. So we have 100 plus points on gold. We have some points like 10 points on euro, and almost 30 points on Nasdaq. So overall, good day, and it was nice trading NFP. Non-farm payrolls. In case if someone doesn't know about non-farm payrolls, it's a news that once in a month shows up on every Friday. That is unemployment rate for US. So they have hourly earnings. They have their jobs reports. So that all weird stuff, fundamental stuff. But since we are technical trader, we like to see the moves on the chart. So, and given the context, the fundamentally as well, that about the virus stuff. So gold being the safe haven, we just can't jump into the trade like, oh yes, it is at the highs, let's just buy it. We still need some more confirmation from our what do you call this, indicators, market psychology, and all other stuff. So I think I should now just, okay, if the price drops down to these, because I don't like, we have huge buyer and then we have inverted hammer. Now I want the price to go higher. In case if the price don't go higher, I'll be okay to take a stop at 83. Still will be making around 90 points or 85. Okay, looks like, well, there you go. So got stopped out on gold. Nice trade on gold. So almost 400 points on gold for the day. So that's it. We have any questions, you can drop me an email. And this is the main buying zone 1670. First contract at the highs, second contract after the news scandal, third contract at the swing lows, fourth contract there as well, and finally adding on the big chunk, 3 contracts at the lows at 69.1, taking them out at the mid of the range. And then I tried giving my best, but it just couldn't. So that will be it. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.